In this video, we are going to be solving question on orthographic projection. So we can either draw in first angle orthographic projection or third angle orthographic projection. So all you need to know is to know the layout of projection either in first angle or third angle orthographic projection like we have here. This is the layout for both first angle and orthographic projection. So you need to know the difference between them. So for first angle orthographic projection, we have the layout in this way. We have the front elevation or front view drawn here, the top elevation or top view at the bottom of the front elevation. Then this angle is 45 degrees. This is the side elevation, then top elevation for the third angle projection. So the reverse is the case for first angle projection, for third angle projection rather. So it's the opposite of this. You can see the top is now at this place while the front is below the top elevation. Then the angle of projection is at this side. Then we have our side elevation this way, and you can see the symbols as well. So you need to know the difference in the symbol for both first angle and third angle projection. So you are welcome to this video. This is Elyon Educational Consult. So today we'll be looking at the diagram on the screen. So we are told, we are only given the diagram, the question is not there, so I'm going to read the question now. We are told to produce to draw this block in first angle orthographic projection. So looking in direction of arrow A, you can see the arrow A there. So that is the direction of view. So we are told to produce this block in first angle projection. So it means that we are going to be splitting the block. We will look at the front view. Whatever we see, we are going to draw, just like we are going to be making use of this layout. So whatever we see, we produce here for the front, then we leave the front, then we go to the side, so the other side. So whatever we see, we are going to produce at this side, then we go to the top. Whatever we see, we produce right under the front elevation. So the first thing is that you are going to imagine that block, is tilted, is at angle 30-degree isometric projection. So you assume the block is sitting right flat like this. So we are going to be seeing the front. So let's quickly draw now. So I'm going to be producing the layout now, the layout for first angle projection. So like we have in that view I showed to us. So we draw the baseline this way first. Then we pick this at any point. At any point, then we ensure it is straight here. So I'm going to be drawing a vertical line upward that way, and I can just produce this line down with a vertical line. Then we are told that our angle, the angle is at 45. I'm going to choose a base where we are starting the front view in that direction of arrow A. So I will draw a base now away from the layout that we have drawn this way, like this. Okay, so this is our base. So it occurs to me now that I need to physically bring in the diagram so that we can understand better. So looking at the view, we are viewing from three angles. So the first one is this, where is the front view. So what I was saying earlier, we bring this diagram, we imagine the diagram to be lying flat horizontally like this. Okay, that is like this. So when we look at this part now, we are going to be seeing this part. So if we call this side as our FE, which is the front elevation, then we are going to see this side. It's like an observer is standing here looking at this diagram. So we see this side, this FE. Then we are going to see where again we are going to be seeing this side as well. So we have three important parts that we are going to be seeing here, here, and here. Okay, you get that now. So when we are done with that, drawing to scale, then we come to this side. So this will be our side now. This will be the side. So what are we going to see? We will see this part here. So we can call this SE as the side. Then we see this part here, SE. Okay, you can see that we'll see this part, the whole of this part, we'll see the whole of this part. Okay, I think that is all for SE. Then when we go to the top, when we view from the top, we are going to see this top elevation. Then we'll see the whole of this side top elevation. So we'll see the whole of this side top elevation. So I'm taking my time to do this so that you can understand it better. So you can roughly do this on any diagram given to you before you start drawing, so that you'll be able to draw the part out correctly. So we can continue drawing now. So we have this base now. So we are told that this line here is 55. So I'm going to be taking 55. I will measure 55. So I'm going to start from here, from this part now. Don't forget, this is the layout. So I'll start from here, measure 55. 55, which is 5.5. So this is my 55. Okay, so I will draw a straight line at that point. Just make sure it is 10 for us. Okay, then we have our measurement. It is 10. Then so I'll put in my 10. So this is 10. So you can take 10 this way very quickly. So this is 10. Then you can connect them like that. The next thing we'll do now, we have drawn out this 10, then we have this part as well. So the whole of this part will appear, when you are viewing from the front, this part here will appear to shoot out. So we are going to be adding the 25 to this 10. Okay, I ought to have taken it straight away, but I want you to really get it. So I'm going to measure 25 now. 25. This 25. So you can take 25 here straight away as well. So we join the lines together like we did there. Alright, so that is for that part. Then we come to this top now, this part here. So everything here, here and here, okay, is this is 55. Okay, so we have taken that is 55. So here is 25. So if here is 25, then the remaining part here will be 30. So we say we take 25 here and 30 here. So we take 25. So this is my 25. Why the we are going to be having a straight line down. That's a vertical line. So you have it this way. So just thin line. So you can project this line. You can continue this line. All projection lines are needed and they are going to be helpful later. So you will see what I mean by the time we progress in the drawing. So let me highlight what I've drawn so far. so that we'll be able to see those parts we have not drawn. I'm still concentrating on the front view. So let me align. Don't forget, don't make the mistake. This is the base for the front. So the base of the front view is starting from this part here. So I'm going to take out this. So we take out this to this part here. Okay. So we take out this part. Don't forget, we are not going to take out everything. So this 25. So we'll take this out. So we have that. Then we take this out. So we have this. We're going to take out this. Okay. Take out this. So if you look at the part we have taken out now, this part here, okay, the whole of this part this way, so it's supposed to be thick, the whole of this. So I will take out this now. Okay, it's looking like it gradually. So we have this, the whole of this side, because I'm seeing it, I'm going to see the whole of this side, which is this place here. Okay, this part here is here, then it remains this small part here. So I need to get the dimension of this part. So if this is 10, we are told that the whole of this length is 15. If this is 10, that means here is going to be 5. So I will measure 5. That is the part we have not included. So I'm going to add that now. So this is my 5. Okay. So you have your thin line that way. So I'm going to take that out now. So you can see this is my front view. Please leave thin line as thin line, the thick line as thick line. Okay, the thick line symbolize that you can see the part. That's why we take it out. The thin line shows that it's a projection line which we cannot see. So this is our FE. So we call this FE or FV. FE, front elevation or front view. Okay, you can use any of the two. So this is our front elevation drawn out. Now the next thing we are going to be doing now, we are going to be drawing the plan. The plan now, that means we are going to go to the top of this diagram. We move to the top of this diagram, we view from the top. So when we view from the top, like I have analyzed this diagram before, we are going to be seeing this, this, and this. So I will advise that immediately you finish the front elevation, draw the top elevation next, not the side. Draw the top elevation next. The side elevation is going to fall in place by itself, which you are going to see as we continue in the drawing of this diagram. So we go to the top now. So when we go to the top now, just project this line down. Project this line down. Okay, just like we did for the front elevation, pick your base for the top. Okay, so I'm drawing the base for the top, so which means that my top starts from here. So the whole of this now is this top. Now when we view like this, I said we are slipping the diagram flat now, so we are going to see the whole of this. The whole of this side is the 55 for the top. That is this 25 plus this 25 here, which will give us this 25 plus this 30 here, which will give us 55. You get that now? Okay, so the next thing is we have this side and this side, which is 50. So this side and this side, the whole of this length here, 50. Okay, so we measure 50. So this is 50. Measure 50 here as well. This is 50. Then connect them. Alright, that way. Okay. Now, so the next thing we are going to be doing now, we are going to draw the part that we are going to see now. So we'll taking this out now. Okay, now this side, this is 25. If this is 25, here is going to be 25 for it to be 50. Okay, so we have 25. This is 25. Okay, so take another 25 here. 25. Connect them. Okay, all right. So I think let's take out what we have first. Okay, let's take out what we have. Okay, so that we won't make mistakes. So I have this side, the whole of this, which I'm going to be seeing from the top, which is this. Okay, you have this. Okay, then you are going to have this. Let's just take it out one by one, one after the other. Okay, so which is this side? Then don't forget this side too should be taken out. Okay, because it continues. So we have this now. Okay, now you have that. Then the whole of this side, because I'm seeing this side as well. The whole of this. Okay, now you have that. Then the whole of this and this to this part here. So I have this. Then okay, now you have this. So this. I hope you can see that. Then this other side. Now let's pick this side now. So if this side is 50, now we have this side as 5. Don't forget. Now that means if this is 25 here, if we add this 5 with this 25, you know the lines continue. So that will be 30. 30, that means that this side is going to be 20. So I'm going to take 20. I'm going to take 20. Take 20. So if this is 20, okay, then I will connect the line. Just connect the line with your thin line. Okay, so that means that I'm going to take out this 20. I will take out this 20. Okay, now you can see this now. I think let's look at the diagram again. Let's see if we are meeting any part. Now viewing from the top, you know I told you it's 3, so just count. When you do this initially, it will be very easy. You just need to count 1, 2, 3. The 3 parts we are seeing. So if you look at this part now, here, here, and here, you don't need to write inside. So all you just need to come here and say T E. That is top elevation or plan. It's also known as plan or top view. So this is for the top. Now we go to the side. Now if you can get these two that correctly, you will be able to draw the side elevation. Very simple. In fact, I can draw that now without even looking at the diagram again. So what do I mean? Just look at it now. Now take a look at where this line here, projection line, intersects with this angle of 45. Well, intersect. So all you just need to do, we are going to be projecting a straight line. We are going to be projecting a straight line up. We project a straight line up this way. Okay. Make sure it is square. That's why I'm using the set square, not the ruler. Project a straight line up. Then this other part where they all intersect, project a straight line up. So this is the final one. You can see where they all intersect this inclined line at angle 45. The first one here, so the second one here, the third one here, and the last one here. Okay, so now if you look at it, but for explanation's sake, I want us to look at it. Okay, now look at it. Now this side we are going to be seeing something like this. Okay, which is this? We are seeing two sides, which is this. Okay, so what we are going to do now, this part now, from here to here, we are going to take it out now immediately. I will take this out. Don't forget, you must start from where the base of the front elevation is. It is wrong to start here. It's going to be wrong. It's going to be wrong. So we start like this. We are going to draw the whole of this now. Okay, all right, then the whole of this, because of this 15 and this side, so we draw the whole of this now. We'll draw the whole of this. Okay, now we have that. Okay, now the next thing now we are going to be doing, now look at this now, this, now the whole of this part here, don't forget that it's going to be 20, because this 25 plus 5 is 30, so what is left here is what is going to be 20. Okay, so you can see, so just take 20, that is 20. We take 20 here as well, so that we can connect them with our thin line. So we have that, so we take that out. So we have that taken out. Oh, sorry, we are looking at this side now, so I'm going to be seeing the whole of this length first. Okay, the whole of this side. Okay, not this side now, not this side, and from this top. Okay, because don't forget the whole of this is 15. Okay, everything is the addition of this side and the length here, which we have drawn. Okay, so this side now is the whole of this, which is going to be 25, because 25 plus 25 is 50. So if you look at it, this 25 now is to this part here, so I will take it to this part. I will take it to this part. Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay, so the next thing, this one, it comes down like this to this part here. It comes down to this part here. Okay, so I will take that out now to this part. Okay, then the whole of this part now. Okay, taken out. So take it out like this. So we take this out now. Okay, now looking at the diagram, okay, this whole length, now we are going to bring out our 20, like I said, 20. Okay, and the length here is 15, so which is equivalent to this. If we check that, so this is 15, so from here now we are going to have 20, so which is this, is already there. So all I just need to do is I will take it out. Okay, take out that 20. Okay, then go down. Then you have this. So this is what is required. So this is the side elevation. So we look at it again. So we have just this side, okay, the whole of this side you can see this side, which is this, okay. Then those are the two sides that we are seeing. So this side will not be taken out because it is open when you view from the side. I hope you find this helpful. So please keep practicing it. You can do it again and again for perfection. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Please, you can subscribe for more solution of orthographic projection. In my next video, I'm going to be showing us how to draw the whether first angle or third angle orthographic projection, where we have hidden details. There are some parts that are not visible, like in this case now all the parts are visible. We have some cases where the parts are hidden. So how do we represent hidden details? So I'm going to be showing us that in my next video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.